It's New Food Friday.
What in the world are we gonna try this week?
Is it gonna be good? Is it gonna be bad? We're gonna have to taste it to find out.
It's chickpeas.
Say it again.
What is it?
Black chickpeas.
Black chickpeas?
Uh-huh.
What's making them black?
Sugar.
Sugar? And what else?
A lot of stuff.
Dark chocolate.
Dark chocolate too.
How are they going to taste?
Good. Let's try them out.
All right. All right. Saffron Road World Cuisine crunchy chickpeas in dark chocolate. Fair trade ingredients cooked to crunchy perfection and enrobed in decadent dark chocolate.
Dark.
4 servings per pack. It cost $4. Protein, no artificial flavors.
Well, that means $1 per serving.
Let's see what's in there. Dark chocolate, roasted chickpeas, some salt corn syrup, and some other stuff. They contain milk, soy, and contain peanuts or tree nuts. All right, are you ready for this?
Yeah. Yeah, ready.
Can you open them?
Yeah. Here we are. Here one is. Give one a try.
Can I get one?
Sure.
They look like hunks of dark chocolate.
Here you go. Mom, I'll try.
They look like chickpeas. They're in the shape.
Ooh.
Crunchy chickpeas
Then Mom,
mixed
they
with dark
look
chocolate. Super good.
kind of dark milk chocolate.
The first taste you or I tasted, was the chickpea taste. Then after a while, it starts going into like milk chocolate.
Mom, you
dark
try
chocolate.
one of them.
It does not taste like chocolate, I think. I think that it tastes like a nutty.
Mom,
nutty
they
milk
can
chocolate.
roll too.
It has like a little coating of chocolate and like a big soft chickpea-ish thing. The chickpea is really good. Thumbs up. Double thumbs up.
Double.
Are you just gonna eat them all?
Mm.
Let's see how many per serving. Let's look. 1/4 a cup per serving. So that means that there's a cup in there.
It's nice.
How many are you gonna eat? A lot?
A lot. I'm gonna eat
They're
all
a
of
double
them.
thumbs up. I would get them again if it was an option, but they're kind of not cheap. They're not cheap, but they're good. $1 per serving.
Mom, I'm gonna eat all of them.
Colin, come on, let's come try some chocolate-covered chickpeas.
They're good.
They taste like chocolate and kind of like crickets, dried crickets. That we had in the Cricket Pops, if you watched that video. I like it. Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
And actually, it's more like that.
Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye 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 bye.
That sugar is affecting his
Bye bye
brain.
bye 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 bye.
Okay, I think you don't have to say